So guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the itel P33 Plus, which I won from a giveaway by Boomplay and Famous on a campus store at my college. At the back of this pack of the device, we have some highlights of the specifications, and let's go straight to the unboxing of this device. Inside the box we have the phone itself, a headphone jack, a 5-volt power brick, a micro USB cable, and a silicone case, a plastic case. So at the front of this device, it comes with a 6-inch IPS LCD display which runs on Android 8.1 Go edition, and it comes with a 1 gig RAM and 16 gigabyte of storage, which is expandable with a SD card with up to 32 gigabytes. It At the top of this device we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the bottom of the device we have a microphone and a micro USB. On the right hand side we have a volume rockers and the power button. On the left hand side we have nothing. At the back we have the 8 megapixel camera plus the 0.8 megapixel camera with a flash and the fingerprint with some itel branding and the speaker. If we remove the back of the case, we are greeted with the 5000 milliamp battery with dual nano SIM with the SD card slot. This device comes with a GPU of Mali 400. It supports OTG, and video playback on this device is capped at 4800p. The aspect ratio of this device is 18:9 aspect ratio. It doesn't have 4G. It has a 3G connectivity, and at the front we can use the flashlight as a notification LED when an incoming message, when you have an incoming call or a text message, or when you are charging, the flash can be showing. So this device is priced at $84, which is about $30, 30,000 naira in Nigeria, and I can say from what I've seen from itel, their phone doesn't surpass $84, because their main aim is to sell to those who can't afford $100 phone, or $200 phone, or a flagship device. Theirs is just give you efficient battery life, even though their camera is not the best. Their fingerprint is okay, and their speaker is very loud. You are listening to me from the itel P33 Plus. Now tell me what you think about the audio playback in the comment section. So I've been using this device as my daily driver for some days now, and I can say that if you are running some apps on this phone, so they automatically close due to poor RAM management and a very low end CPU. It comes with a quad core 1.3 gigahertz processor, and it's not that impressive, with a MediaTek MT6580 CPU, which is not that impressive. This device doesn't support 4G. I've said it right from the other. The main aim of this device is the battery life. It comes with a 5000 milliamp battery which stays. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to share and comment. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Have a nice day. Peace. Sorry, don't forget to subscribe. Remember, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.